I'm Thomas Stephen, and I am the president for Africa, Middle East, and South Asia business for EPL. EPL is a pioneer for the tubes business. We are basically spread across the globe with multiple locations, and we have a huge customer base. We are in this business for a lot many years, and we are focused on giving the right solutions to our customers. As we keep innovating for them. What I'm really excited about is that we are creating an identity for our brands. It's a B2B business, so actually the packaging makes the brand stand out. So every effort of ours is to make our customers' brands stand out in a competitive market, so that they are successful, because that's the whole idea. The whole idea for EPL is to promote the brand owners' brands and to make a mark for customers to pick their products. So it's an opportunity for us to make the business grow for our customers, and that's really exciting for us. Yeah, I think we have been, as I told you, we have been a pioneer in this business, and we have always, invested in the right technology. Even though it would appear expensive at first, we have always invested in the best quality of or best technology. Like for example, we have got Swiss machines and European machines very early in our history. We invested in those technologies, and that's paying off even now, because we have that relationship and that connect with our customers because of the quality that we deliver, and the innovation that we can offer for our customers. I think it's a great forum where you can get all the contract manufacturers, the private labels, the various support brands all under one roof, and I think there's so much of collaboration that can be established in such events. So partnerships can even start from such events, and really it gives an opportunity to understand the innovation across the industry, and also the possibilities of partnerships, right? So I'm really thrilled with the CMPL program and the exhibition, because it's been a great event where we could meet with many people and their products, and also the processes that are being followed. So a lot of innovation to see. I think the scale of the event is something which has hit me in terms. I never expected it to be so large, and I think that's improving year on year. And it's just the quality of the various booths, the content, everything has gone a level up, and I think that's something which is staying in my mind. The one word is basically enlightening.